Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the third lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard Second, Parts of a Computer. And today's topics are the mouse, the CPU, printer and speakers. So watch the video carefully. The mouse. Dear students, the mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is kept and moved on a mouse pad. So my dear students, hold the mouse properly as I am showing. Dear students, the mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point to any place or thing on the monitor. It is used to move from one place to another on the monitor. The mouse is also used to draw pictures and play games. The CPU. Dear students, the big box next to a computer is called the CPU. It is the most important part of a computer. It runs the computer. It is called the brain of the computer. The next part of a computer is printer. Dear students, a printer is used to print on paper. It prints whatever you write using the keyboard. It also prints pictures. Speakers. Dear students, speakers are used to listen to music. So my dear students, in this video we have learned about the monitor, the CPU, printer and speakers. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.